We're gonna start with this one. I just took it from over here. So, keeping this, and this, and this, and this. I'm gonna keep this. So all this stuff I'm keeping, I'm just gonna put it over here. I'm gonna take all this out, and then I'll fill it with the stuff I'm gonna keep. Clean this thing out really quick. I clean this out. It's clean as it's gonna get. I start with foundation, so I'm gonna keep this Wet n Wild foundation. I'm pretty sure I'm just gonna keep all of my foundations. Yeah, it's a really good foundation. If you guys have not tried it, the Milani 2-in-1 foundation and concealer. This is just a mess. I never use this foundation, but it's like matches me the best. All night. These are both dark for me, especially this one. So I might give it to my sister, or I might give it to somebody. I don't know yet. Okay, so next I have this e.l.f. and it's an eyeshadow. It's really pretty, actually. This is what it looks like. I just don't ever use it because it's a liquid thing on my eyelids. So I think I'm gonna get rid of it. I have 2 e.l.f. eyeliners, and I'm gonna keep those. This is a eye pencil. I don't even know. It's a strobing pencil. It's super pretty as well. Gonna keep that. I'm not gonna keep this. Actually, I haven't tried it, so I am gonna keep it. But I'm not gonna keep this LA Colors eyeliner just because I just don't like the wand. It's just huge. I'm also gonna get rid of this because I haven't used, or I'm gonna keep these little brushes. Any of these mascaras, they're all super old and probably super worn out, just dried up. I'm gonna keep this eyebrow gel and all of my concealers. This is what it looks like now, all clean and organized. Moving on to this thing, I don't even know what to do with all these. I'm gonna keep my brushes, that's for sure. But I am gonna clean all these, so I'm gonna show you guys the before so you can definitely see all my brushes clean. Of this thing from the Dollar Tree, it's just like a pencil holder, and I just stuck my brushes in it and my mascaras. So I'm gonna put this over here in this thing. So I'm keeping my mascaras. This one's like trash. See, I don't want to throw it away, but like it's trash. That's why I bought a new one, this one. So I'm gonna keep that. It's trash. I'm gonna keep these. I haven't tried them. They are the Clinique. So I have 2 of those. Well, I have 4 of these, but I never use them, but I don't want to get rid of them. They are a base for your mascara. This one's really pretty. I like this one. It's a little flower. Since I already have 2 of these, I'll give this one to my sister because I don't need it. So as you can see, all of my brushes are so dirty. Most of these, I honestly don't even use. Like this one, I could get rid of that one. Don't use this. It's for lips. it out over here. I don't use these, or this one, at least. That way it just doesn't look as packed. Clean this off after, but these are all the brushes so you can see mostly everything in here. So I'm just gonna start taking all these lipsticks out. Here. I'm gonna keep this. I think it might fit. No. Put that right there. I have this CoverGirl powder. I'm gonna keep it. I have a lot in here. I like this powder, so put that right there. I'm also gonna keep this powder, the DHC powder. It's my favorite powder ever. I'm keeping this one too. A powder I'm not keeping is this LA press powder. I guess I just don't like pressed powders. I feel like they don't work as well. I don't really know, but I didn't use this, but it's a bronzer slash blush. Look how sparkly it is. Could be why I haven't used it. For now, I'm just gonna keep it and then test it out. Maybe in a video, something, I don't know. But this is by Physicians Formula. And then I also have this one. I actually like this bronzer, I think, and blush. Looks like I've never used it, but... Next I have this cream. It's a contour palette by CoverGirl. And this is a... Gonna keep it. Next is this NYX Love in Paris. Is that what it says? Palette. They're super pretty colors. This is what it looks like. My sister gave this to me. I'm gonna keep this as well. For now, I'm just gonna put it right there. This e.l.f. golden bronzer, and I'm not sure if I want to keep this or not. I really like the mirror. It's huge. I think I'm gonna keep it. For now it's right there. So a highlighter. I'm all over the place, so sorry about that. This is a Flower Cosmetics Shimmer and Strobe highlighting palette, and they're super pretty. Like, I'm gonna keep this highlighter as well. This is just by some, I don't know what brand this is, a random brand, but these are incredible highlighters. Like this one, look at that. Keeping that as well. I don't think I'm going to keep this blush. I've never used it, but I just don't like all the sparkles in it. Yeah, you guys can see that. I'm also going to get rid of this. It's a blush and bronzer. That's a crazy bronzer. Yeah. I'm going to keep this just because I really like it. It's the LA Colors Rad Rogue Blush. This is As If. I also have this one in To The Max, and I'm gonna keep this one as well. I'm gonna keep this. This is Flower Boy. Super pretty. Is this blush duo. I don't even know who this is by, but I think I'm gonna keep it just because I want to use cream blushes more. It's the only cream blush I have. I'm also gonna keep this ColourPop. I think it's just Shock Shadow, Super Shock Shadow, and Tea Party. I'm gonna keep both of these Lancome palettes. This one is a eyeshadow palette. This one, it's a blush and bronzer duo, if I could open it, and highlighter. I'm gonna keep this Wet n Wild highlighter. Yeah, I'm gonna keep this. I'm gonna keep this eyeshadow palette just because I really like all the colors in it. I'm gonna keep this Wet n Wild eyeliner pencil. I'm going to keep this black eyeliner pencil. I'm going to get rid of this Maybelline lip liner. I'm going to keep, I'm going to keep this Milani eyeshadow. I'm going to keep this. I'm going to keep these just because I don't like creamy eyeshadows on my eyelids. Oops. I'm going to keep this blue eyeliner. I'm not going to keep this LA Colors eyeshadow because I just don't like it. Like, I'm going to keep this contour stick and not this one because as you can see here, I have lipsticks to go through and decide which ones I want, which ones I don't. So I'm going to keep this one, but I'm going to get rid of this dark one. Lipstick in Rockabye Ruby. I really like it, but I don't want it. I also don't want this one either. Keep this. It's an e.l.f. Hydro Shine lip gloss. I don't know. I just really like that it's like a pen thing. I don't know. I like it. I'm gonna get rid of these. I just don't like the colors on me. I'm gonna get rid of this LA Colors brow tint. It's just so dark for me. Like, I'm gonna keep these Wet n Wild lipsticks in Just Peachy and Think Pink. I'm gonna keep this matte red lipstick. I just love it. It's by Wet n Wild. I'm gonna get rid of this. I'm gonna get rid of this too. I just don't like it. It's an e.l.f. extra lip gloss. I'm gonna keep this e.l.f. shimmer lip gloss. I'm gonna keep this NYX high voltage lipstick in 14. That's the color. I haven't tried this, so I'm just gonna keep it to try it out. I'm gonna get rid of this. It's just a mess. I'm gonna get rid of this CoverGirl Katy Perry Sphinx lipstick. Actually, I'm gonna keep it. I'm gonna get rid of this lipstick. That's the color right there. This is the after. Looks a lot better. And this is all the stuff I decluttered. So I also have this to declutter. It's just a like carrying case. Inside the carrying case is a clear acrylic bin, because if I don't have that in there, it just wouldn't be a box anymore. So we'll just go through this really quick. So I want to get rid of this palette. It's super pretty. I just never use it. These are going to be harder just because I use a lot of these. And I don't really want to get rid of any of them. I'm going to declutter this. I don't reach for it just because it's so tiny. Like, look at my finger. I'm going to declutter this one just because I don't like any of them but that one. And it's legit the same one in there. Actually, I'm going to get rid of this as well. Without all the stuff. Before or after? On the top of the bottles, and I cleaned off the thing, and I cleaned these things. I still gotta go wash my brushes. I'm gonna do that. And all my lipsticks, clean the tops of these, and yeah, washed all my brushes. So now they're all nice and clean. This is the final. I hope you guys enjoyed this declutter type video. If you guys want to see more of them, give it a thumbs up. well, not more of them, just videos like this, give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe if you're not already, and hopefully I'll see you in my next video. Bye guys!